I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, time and its measurement. A clock tells us the time. Everybody knows that. Observe the face of a clock. The face of a clock is marked with number 1 to 12. The clock has two hands. One hand is longer than the other hand. Okay, the longer hand, that is this hand, is called minute hand. It shows time in minutes, and the shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows time in hours. Okay, so in the figure, the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 1. So the time is 1 o'clock, or you can write 1 o'clock as like this. Okay, so now look at the following clocks. The minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 2, so the time is 2 o'clock. Here the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is 4, the time is 4 o'clock. The minute hand is 12 and the hour hand is also at 12, so the time is 12 o'clock. Write the time shown by the following clocks. Okay, so this is 1 o'clock. Okay, and this is 10 o'clock. Okay. Please note, when the long hand points to 12, the short hand will point exactly to one of the numbers on the clock. Okay. Now, draw hands to show the time. This time is given, and now we have to draw the hands. Okay, means minute hand and hour hand. 4 o'clock. Okay. So your minute hand will be at 12 and your hour hand will be at 4. Okay. Okay. Next, 7 o'clock. Your minute hand will obviously be at 12 and your hour hand will be at 7. Okay. So similarly, you will draw hands for these times also. Okay. Look at the face of the clock. The hour hand of a clock takes 1 hour in moving from one numeral to the next numeral. Means from one number to next number, the hour hand of our clock takes 1 hour. The minute hand takes 1 hour to come back again on the same numeral. Okay. A clock shows 12 o'clock both at noon and at night. The period from midnight to next midnight is called a day. So a day has how many hours? 24 hours. Remember that. The hour hand goes twice around the clock in a day. A minute hand is very fast. It goes 24 times around the clock in a day. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay. And the numbers 1 to 12 are the span of 5 minutes from each other. Okay. Complete the following clocks. We see that when the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3, the time is 2:30. Okay. When the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 6 and 7, it is 6:30. When it is 2:30 or 6:30, the minute has travelled half the way round the clock. Okay. So we call 2:30 as 2:30. And we call 6:30 as 6:30. Always remember that whenever minute hand is at 6, we write it as half past. Okay. Now consider the following clocks. See, when it is 6:15 or 9:15, we observe that the minute has travelled a quarter of the way round the clock. So when it is 6:15, we say it is 6:15. Okay, and at 9:15, we say it 9:15. So remember, whenever the minute hand is at 3, we write quarter past. Okay. Now consider the following clocks. When the time is 5:45 or 11:45, we observe that the minute hand has only quarter way left to reach the end of the hour. See, this is your clock. 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay. So this, if you divide it into 4 parts, this is quarter. 1, 2, 3 quarter, 4 quarter, and 4 quarter makes 1 whole. Now, when the hour, your minute hand is at 9, so only 1 quarter is left. okay, to reach the end of the hour. So we write it as quarter to. Okay, so whenever the minute hand is at 9, we write quarter to. Okay, so 5:45 we say it is quarter to 6, and 11:45 we say it is quarter to 12. Now draw the hands on the following clocks to match the time. Okay, students, now you have to draw the hands, okay, and the time is given here. Show the time on each of the clocks. I get a 5:30, okay, so minute hand will be at 6 and hour hand will be at 5, okay. I get ready for the school at 7:45. 7:45. 45 means your minute hand is at 9, okay, and your hour hand will be between 7 and 8, okay. I have my lunch at 1 o'clock, okay, minute hand at 12 and hour hand at 1, right students? Now you will do remaining parts of this exercise, okay.